Hey boys and girls, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. It's still Thursday, February the 8th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the Binary. And it's time for the Binary. Yes, Binary time. And this one will be number 7965. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. That's a lot. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Double O. Here one, there one. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two 1s comes no. Between two 1s comes no. Between two O's comes in 1. Alright. I need to think. Well. What's happening? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Well. Double O. Here, 1 there, 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes no. Double O, here, 1 there, 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow, what a sprint at the end. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.